Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change the hard drive and the RAM on HP Pavilion G6. So first you must take off the battery and then unscrew these two screws here. Okay, then you must take off the plastic cover carefully. Okay, so here it's the RAM and here it's the hard drive. Let's see how to replace the RAM first. You must try to pull off these two jumpers and then push the RAM out. Okay, this is it. So if you wanna replace the RAM, if you wanna add extra RAM, or if you want to remove the DIMMs that the Pavilion G6 has, then you must remove the DIMMs and then add the new DIMMs or add the extra DIMM. So let's see how to add a DIMM, one DIMM here. You must try to check the RAM first here and then push her inside and then push her down and the jumpers will close. Nice. Now for the hard drive, you must push him out and then take off the cable. Okay, then you must take off these two plastic things and that's it. So then you can add a new hard drive or a new SSD or whatever. You place the plastic things on the new hard drive or on the new SSD and then connect the cable back. And place the hard drive inside the case like this. Okay, then you must place back the plastic cover and screw the two screws here. Okay, the last thing is to replace back the battery and you are ready to go. Thanks for watching guys. Please like and subscribe if you want. Bye bye.